Hello everyone, my name is Deepta. My roll number is 20MT30009. Welcome to this ninth assignment of DIY, which is disassembling and reassembling of any particular machine, and to which I choose electric iron of company Philips Diva. So let's get started and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, this is the Taparia toolbox, which consists of 5 types of screwdrivers, and this is the holder. So now when we start opening this Philips Diva uh, iron, electric iron, uh, first we are opening this upper part, and then we will go down. So as you can see, this is the Philips Diva electric iron, and this is before disassembling this iron. So now if we give the switch to check if it's in working condition or not, so I am giving the switch, and as you can see, this iron starts glowing, the light in this inside this iron. And further to check if this iron is getting heated or not, I am just taking a pinch of water in this mug and just throwing on it, and as you can see the water goes and evaporates, so it is becoming hot. So first we are opening these two screws, and then after that I will open this outer cover first, and then go on to open this inner one. So as you can see, I have opened this outer covering, and then now I will just unscrew these screws to take out this wire, and then I will open this upper part and to go even inside. So as you can see, I have opened the upper part or the outer covering of this iron, and these are the connections. This is the live or the phase wire, and this is the green or the earth wire, red, green, and this is the black, that is the neutral wire. And as you can see, this red, this deep red or orange wire that you can see, it is just the lighting of the bulb. This is the bulb, particular bulb, as you can see. So now one by one we will open these three wires, and then move inside to see this heating coil. So now I have opened these two screws and also these three wires that were connected in these three terminals, and also this uh, the bulb wire that you can see. Now I will go and open this particular circuit like this. As you can see, it's being opened. Slight judgment. And yes, it has come off. This is the outer covering, and yes, this is the particular wires that these four terminals, as you can see, these are the four terminals, main terminals. And now I will go and open first. Let me make it back so that okay. Now I will open this screw first. This is the screw, and now if you can see, I will be opening this particular piece. First I think so I have to open this back part, this part, open this one first. Yes, it has come off, and now I will just push it, and yes, there you go. The final scene or the main mechanism of this electric iron lies in between here. So as you can see, after removing this last two pieces of screw, this is the thermostat, which just acts as a circuit breaker in this particular iron, and it's most like an electric fuse, but nothing melts or nowhere melts here, but it just stops the current by sorting between these two poles. And if I zoom in this particular iron say plate, so in this Philips Diva iron set, the lower heating plate and this heating wire, which I think so is it's probably the nichrome wire, and the heating is done through these coils, and here the coil and the plate is fused, as you can see. And now if I just try to rebuild this, and so if I just assemble not if I show you all the parts that make up this iron plate, I can put it one by one. So uh, this is the coil, this is the wire, main wire that is connected to the source, and these are the three wires. The red is the live wire or the phase wire, black is the neutral wire, and green is the earthing wire. So and these three wires are being connected here. And if I just give you a brief description of the diagram, so when I connect this thermostat here, just placing it, if I connect it here, uh, yes, I have connected it. The current flows from starts from this live wire, which would be connected somewhere here, and it flows through this thermostat, and then onto this wire, and passes through the neutral wire, and means from the thermostat, from the phase where it starts, it passes through the thermostat, comes out here, and then flows through this nichrome wire and passes out through the neutral wire. And when the mechanism of thermostat is that when the system or the iron is overheated, it as if you can just hear the sound, there is one clicking sound. I don't think so you can hear this, but there is one clicking sound. So the current enters through this live wire, and then passes through the thermostat, and then comes out through this wire, and then it finds two paths, one through this nichrome wire and another through this indicating bulb, and it completes both the paths to come out through this neutral wire, and this is how the circuit is being completed. Now as the disassembly is fully done and I have shown mostly all the components, now I will try to reassemble it and show you that it's working after reassembly. Just one more thing, this upper part that you can see, it's the controller. So we can either break the circuit manually by just changing which type of clothes we are wanting to heat. So we will need that type of heating, like if for a nylon cloth we will need less heating than is needed for the cotton cloth. So the particular amount of heat can be controlled manually from here. And there is also for that breaking of the circuit, there is a break even point, and after that particular heat there is a sensor. This thermostat will break this will just cut off this entire nichrome wire and also this uh, indicating bulb, so that we can see that there is no current flowing through this. So just to mention, this is the particular controller that I was emphasizing about. So now I have completed joining again, reassembling the thermostat in the heating coil and the heating plate. And now I will go to join this cover over this heating plate, and after that we will proceed through this part also. So now I have completed screwed the covering plate, and now I am just trying to connect this back support which is present here. So it will take some time, but yes, it has been connected also, the back support, the cover. And now I will try to put this uh, plastic body, this plastic support over this metal one, and reassemble it. So as you can see, I have just finished joining this upper plastic part, plastic support over this iron support, and now I will go and join these wires. As I have already told before that this would be connected as this would be connected to the live or the phase wire, the red wire. This would be connected to the green or the earthing wire, and this would be the neutral wire on the black wire. And from this terminal to this terminal there would be the indicating light bulb that will be placed here, and the wire should connect like this. So now proceeding to the uh, wire connection. So you can see now that I have made the connections, and as you can see, to reiterate the connections once more I am telling, this is the green wire, it is connected to the earthing wire, it is connected to this terminal, and this is the live wire, the red wire, and this is the phase wire also. So the current flows in through here, goes inside this thermostat. This is the regulator through which we can manually break off the circuit, and after that it comes here, passes through both the nichrome wire and this indicator, and goes out through this neutral wire which is black in color, as you can see. So I have rebuilt or reassembled this circuit. Now just the finishing parts I will put on this one, this outer cover on uh, this structure, and the final cover which is present here, and also these wires to show you that this reassembled iron is electric iron is in working condition. So as you can see, this is the penultimate reassembling which has been completed, and as you can see also here the wirings are done. If I can just zoom in and zoom out, the wirings are done. This is the wire and the outer surface of the main connection wire. So, and this is the last step which after doing I will show if this reassembled iron is working or not properly. So now finally, as you can see, and this electric iron has been fully reassembled, and now for the testing purpose I am just going to join this iron, and I have given the switch. As you can see, the red light is blinking here also, and the red light is also blinking here. And yes, I have connected this I think so, this electric heater perfectly, because I think so it should be working by now. So let's check it by just I don't have any infrared thermometer, so I will just put some water onto this surface of the heating plate of the electric iron. Here is the water, as you can see. So yes, it's been hidden and in a lot. So yes, success. I have finally reassembled this electric iron Philips Diva. So finally, thank you for staying with me and bearing with me this disassembling and reassembling video of the iron, electric iron of Philips, that is of company Philips Diva, and hope you like it. Thank you once more.